Hello everyone, I'm back. Today we are here, as we say, we a little bit start late because we went and we voted today. So if you did not vote, go ahead and vote to be a great United States. So we are waiting to more people to join us. I'm going to introduce some product I bought from TikTok. And if you go scroll down my page, I did show it before, that product. So I'm going to one more time to show it to you guys and see it, because we use it and we get good result about it. One of those products, as you see, is for face tightening and face lifting, and you can use it for a neck too. For now, you can purchase this from TikTok. It's not that expensive and it's good. You start, especially for those people that have lines on their necks, some wrinkle on their eyes, under their lips area, chin. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Here said, sorry, my English is not that well. I just let you guys know. So this is said it's good for tightening the face, anti-wrinkle. It's good for the necklines, tender skin, and a synthetic vibration. So I did use this, but mostly I use it for my mom too, because I see how much like a wrinkle she has, if it's a work or no, because mine I do have, but not that much. But it still is good to start with the, like, when your age especially hits age of 35 and up, as that's the time you're losing some fat and your skin starts being saggy, so it's good to start it so it can get tight. So this is the simple one. So start with this, and if you see if it works, then you can go ahead. They have another one similar to this, but it's much better. Like they have like 2, 3 type. You can use it for neck is better. They give you a light, but this one is a simple one. So here said, before you start it, like I use this beautiful face, and she's young. So me, because I just came from out, so obviously I have to put a little bit of the makeup. So it's gonna take a time for me to wash it off and use, because this product you cannot have makeup on in order to use it. So what you do, wash your face with a warm water. Use any lotion or oil. Make sure you're not use the lotion for a face. It doesn't have any like, you know, those smell things. So because some skin, they are very sensitive. I use this because I never had a problem with that. So I use the Nivea always. So you can use a little bit. Don't get used to it. So as you see, when you put the lotion, you have to go towards how you see my hand, this way. You don't go like this, because that makes your skin be saggy. So you do like this, then go to your, close your eye and tap it. And if you have an oil, is good too. If you have a coconut lotion, that is good too. But make sure those lotion has perfume. Do not use it, because some skin, they are very sensitive. So see what lotion you're using every day for moisturizing your face, so use that one. So here I use that. I'm gonna turn this on. I hope it has a battery on because my mom is keep using. So it's vibrating. So when you're gonna do, you're gonna go like this. You don't have to press anything. Go to the top, come to the bottom. When it comes to the lips, you're gonna go towards to your ear. This is good. You do it, if you can do it every day, is very, very good. And when you're sitting talking to your hubby, husband, boyfriend, talking on the phone, you can put it on the speaker or your headset and start doing that. And if you're watching your favorite movie, so these are the time you can use it and it doesn't take your time. You don't even feel it. Because if you get up and do it like this, is a because some people, they say, like me, sometimes I'm really, when I come from out, I'm very lazy. I say, oh no, I'm not gonna do it. But when I'm sitting talking to my sister or my mom, so I put the phone always on the speaker. So I do my other stuff too. So when I'm drinking a tea, this is a good timing for me. By the way, I'm a tea drinker and coffee drinker, so I do this. So again, when it comes to the eyes, you go like this. Okay, this is the thing I show it in the face. Do not push it on your face. You have to go very gentle. And then when you go, you hold a little bit, go down towards to your ear. When it comes to your neck, I see some people, they go like this. Like men, they think it's a shaving. This is not a shaving, honey. You go from here down, here, down. I think 15 minutes a day, it should be good. If you don't have a time, still, if you do it like twice a week, it's fine too. Are you okay? When she's quiet, that means she's okay. But don't get used to it, because this is, you're not going to see it every day. I'm doing it to you. Okay, I'm going to just stop this. So again, you can go see the price and... Sister? Sorry. Oops. My hand, because there's a lotion, I cannot stop. Can you do it, please? Okay, I'm going to put the link under my live when it's finished. So it's going to say the price too. Go ahead, and if you like it, go purchase. I like it, and I suggest you go try it. You're not going to lose any money. And after you using this, you can go upgrade it too. This is the product for today again. This is how the box look like, and it's not that expensive. I thank you for those people that are watching us, and those people after I save the life and they come and watch us. I know today is very busy day. It's an election day. A lot of people is front of the TV. They're listening to the news. They don't have a time to come and to see this live. I hope everything goes great for America too. So thank you for watching us, and let me know if you use this product or if you know other way to use this product. Good night.